Really, I only had one bad tire. About to go and get these tires changed. And they're gonna be that, man. Really, I only had one bad tire, but I'm gonna just replace both so they have like the same tread. But I'm gonna go Pirellis in the front this time. I usually get Bridgestone. As y'all can see, I got Bridgestone right there. But the ones I came to get sold, so I'm gonna just get the Pirellis. Here's what the morning of an unemployed individual look like, man. We just go to the tire shop, get some new tires, get an alignment, and we get back on the road, keep the day going, man. I want to get that new front splitter, but at the same time, I don't know because I don't even know if I drop that vid. I don't know if I'm gonna drop that vid, but my front splitter broke, and yeah, man, I need a new front splitter. But like it kind of put like a dent in the front of my junk too. I'm gonna give y'all a little backstory real quick. So I was on the highway, and god dang, there was a piece of metal like in the middle of the lane, like, and there was an SUV in front of me, so they went straight over it. But it was a car on the side of me, so I couldn't get over either. So like, I ain't had no choice but to like go over that bitch. But y'all see my baby going up, man. She looks so naked without the front splitter, bro. Like I kind of need that bit at that point. But hey, man, y'all let me know, bro. Should I get a new front splitter? Y'all see she back, man. I'm finna go pay and everything, and then we're gonna be up out of here, man. My man said he like the whip, man. Come on. Traffic wanna come when I'm about to go out. But man, yeah, we are back with a POV today, man. POV as an unemployed American. Y'all probably like, bro, how you unemployed and you got that car? Bruh, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, bro. But it says unemployed. I don't have a physical job. I don't have, like, when I say a physical job, I mean I don't have a job where I physically go to a workplace. That's all I'm saying. So I'm unemployed. Looking at and if y'all looking at the tire pressure, bro, I'm gonna fix that later on. Cause it supposed to like update as I drive anyways to see where they really at. Cause it had just said 31. But I'm gonna just fix, I'm gonna get it right when I get to the crib or whatever. Actually, I could get it right now. I got the, what's the name in the car? But I'm gonna just drive for a little minute. Got that alignment and everything, but I can let go of the wheel. That bitch just keep straight. I couldn't do that before, boy. I could, but like, my right tire, like, I guess cause the alignment, the right tire like went bald quick. But we good now though. Imagine hit ladders fall off the back of the truck and that bitch just straight hit my car. I will be getting at the moolah, baby. I ain't gonna lie, that van slid moving though. That boy got somewhere to be. He late to the job, son. It do feel way better driving that car now. I don't know if somebody got some horses back here or what, but boy, it smells straight like God damn, it bad too. I wish I could smell that bit through the phone. Y'all could suffer with me. Bruh, ain't no way I smell it still. Like, bruh, I had to run something over in the road or somewhere. I swear it smelled like somebody brought a farm out here and just left that bit. Oh, it's probably that truck. Yeah, that bitch stink, but I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, it's that truck. That bitch stink. Oh my God. But that bitch smell like death, nigga. God dang, but I wish I had a face mask in that bitch. Nigga, I'm driving behind the shit mobile. Like, literally. God dang. I'm finna turn. That bitch stinks so bad. These folks walking to school like that, I could have sworn these folks was on spring break. Or maybe they ain't going to school. I don't know. If you don't do that every time you go under the underpass, something wrong with you, my boy. I ain't even gonna do it, bro.